Traveling should be an exciting adventure, not a chaotic mess. Yet, that's exactly what happens when people skip trusted travel agencies or gamble with unreliable ones. A dream vacation can quickly turn into a nightmare when corners are cut or emergencies arise without proper support. Think about it. What happens if your budget-friendly hotel mysteriously disappears from the reservation system, or your flight is suddenly canceled? Untrusted agencies and DIY planning can leave you stranded, with hidden fees, poor communication, and zero solutions. Toronto's most trusted travel agencies eliminate those risks. They don't just book trips, they ensure seamless experiences. Got a delayed flight? They rebook you instantly. Overbooked hotel? They'll secure an upgrade before you're inconvenienced. Their relationships with airlines, hotels, and tour operators give you an edge, turning travel headaches into smooth sailing. What sets them apart is their commitment to transparency and care. They explain every cost-craft itineraries tailored to your needs and provide on-the-go support. They plan for the unexpected so you don't have to. Why take chances with your vacation? Let the experts handle it. At InTheGTA.com, we've done the hard work of finding and listing Toronto's most trusted travel agencies. Don't settle for less. Start your journey with confidence, because life's too short for travel disasters.